you're going to have one keynote and then a panel conversation. So I am very pleased to welcome Dr.蔡明哲, who is professor and director of the Experimental Forest, the College of Bioresources and Agriculture at National Taiwan University. Please welcome to the stage.
Good day, everyone. Distinguished guests from Cop28. I'm Dr. Cai from National Taiwan University, Experimental Forest. Today, I will showcase our background, achievement, and the recent research effort, nurturing a nature-positive paradigm. I'm very happy and grateful for your presence, and look forward to valuable insights and discussions. Taiwan is located at southeast of Asia and well covered by forest, over 60%. NTUEF lies in central Taiwan. The terrain rises from 220 to 3,900 meters at the peak of Yushan, covering 32,000 hectares and occupying about 1% of Taiwan Island. NTUEF spanned an elevation difference of 3,700 meters. It came across 5 climate zones and boasts a rich variety of vegetation, including primary and secondary forests. Due to the high elevation difference in such small areas, NTUEF stands as one of the few remaining habitats for wild animals and currently sustains a diverse range of wildlife species. In the past 100 years, we have established optimum guidelines and best practices for the preservation of nature and biodiversity. From this slide, you can see, in comparison to damaged forests managed by private sectors, our extensive forest coverage ensures better hydrological integrity, minimizing soil erosion, and enhancing water conservation. NTUEF has achieved fruitful results in reforestation and the preservation of natural forests. In total, the forest sequestrates a total of 220,000 tons of carbon dioxide annually, making a substantial contribution of carbon dioxide reduction. Forest ecosystem can provide supply chain services for the production of wood from plantation forests. Our nurturing signaling operations play a key role in wood utilization and biomass fuel pellet productions, contribution to carbon storage and substitution. To maintain the ecosystems and protect the primary forest, we have designated 3 wildlife reserves and conducted surveys on the biodiversity. Species commonly found in these reserves include the endemic Formosan samba deer and the Mikado pheasant, along with unique plants such as the Sito butterfly orchid. In order to protect the genetic resources of precious tree species, we regularly collect seeds by tree climbing technique and plant them in suitable reforestation areas. Throughout this process, we also encourage other corporate entities and organizations to join us in tree planting, contributing to the sustainable forestry. From this picture, you can see the plantation forest composed by about 40 tree species accounts for 12,000 hectares. The right the primary forest accounts for 11,000 hectares. According to our recent survey, there are total 721 species in NTUEF forest area. NTUEF stands as one of the few remaining habitat for wild animals in Taiwan because of the extensive areas of protected forest, natural forests, and conservation areas. It currently supports a diverse range of wildlife species. Since 2008, restoration area reached 1,360 hectares and focus on biodiversity. And now, species abundance is currently on the rise. For collaborative indigenous millet restoration, NTUEF cultivates 28 local varieties in partnership with indigenous people and local communities, IPLCS. In cooperation with 73 partners, we have successfully restored 100 hectares, supported by a $10 million investment spanning a decade. Aligned with the global biodiversity framework, NTUEF is poised to share its century-long experience in preserving biodiversity. Leveraging a century of expertise in biodiversity preservation, NTUEF is ready for Biocredit-Taiwan. 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 Thank you very much.